I'm going to show you how to fix the RV There Yet game error codes. So let's start. You should go to the Windows taskbar, select any empty space you have, right click and select Task Manager. After that, this will open. So type in the search the launcher that you have the game on, like Steam, and make sure if you do find any process appearing like this, make sure to select it, right click and then go straightly and click on End Task. Wait for a couple of moments. After that, reopen the Steam launcher or the launcher that you have the game on, and then go to your library and select collections. After that, look for the game. If you do have it, select it and then click on this gear icon and click on properties. Now go to installed files on the left menu and click on verify integrity of game files. You just need to wait for the process to finish. That will validate the originality of the game files, and any missing or corrupted files will be safely recovered. After that, go to general and go to the launch options and type in exactly like this command -dx11. Now close everything. Now before launching the game and see if the error is gone, go to the search and type in NVIDIA or the AMD app. You will find this NVIDIA app, select it. It will be opening like this. So firstly, you should go to the settings in the left menu and make sure to switch off the NVIDIA overlay. Go to the drivers icon and click on download and install button appearing like this right here. Leave it as default and click on continue in order to start the updating process. Next, go to the search and type in device manager. Once opened, look for display adapters. Open this and then select the NVIDIA or the AMD graphics card that you have. Right click and select update driver and then select the first option and close that. Finally, you should just select the Windows icon and then look for settings. Now go to Windows Update and make sure you did already install the latest Windows Update in order to prevent any type of confusion. If you do find this video is helpful, please consider like and subscribing, and see you on the next one.